When working with video, sometimes you'll need to create a very specific color using the HEX code, which will look something like this. Here's how to do it in Adobe Premiere. To create a specific color in Premiere, first we'll right-click the project panel and create a new color matte. By default, your color matte will match the dimensions of your sequence, but if you want, you can also change the dimensions to whatever you want. Click OK, and we can now pick the color. Most people will use the color picker to manually pick a color that's somewhat close to what they want, but sometimes that's not accurate enough. If you're working with a 6-digit hex value, you can type that in this little box here, and you'll get an exact match for that color. I was just recently making some videos for a website where the background colors were these off-black and off-white colors, so I had to match the videos to the background color of the website. Once you have your color, hit OK and you'll end up with a solid color in your project panel. Give it a name and then drag it onto your timeline, and you'll have an exact color match for that specific hex code. And there you have it. Give me a click on that like button below if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy, quick tutorials like this.